Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. One of my best YouTube friends, longtime friends here on YouTube, Stephanie, she sent me 4 ColourPop eyeshadow palettes. I'm so excited, so stoked to start sharing looks with you guys. It couldn't come at a better time because I know we're all feeling really low and scared and just down in general. Times are changing, you guys. So I thought that I would start doing some looks with these, and we would well, we've already primed our eyes. We have powder to catch fallout, and the palette I'm going to use today is Strawberry Shake. All the information on products and stuff will be in the description box below, as well as other links, you guys. So we're using Strawberry Shake today, and I did this really quick look, and I love the names on these eyeshadows as well. And I also want to say thank you so much, Stephanie. These eyeshadows are as good as everybody claims. They're very nice and creamy, buttery, super pigmented, easy to blend, all of the above. They're awesome. So I thought we would do a little update as well. So Oscar update, I just wanted to let you guys know he's doing better than ever, and he's continuing to get better every single day. He is definitely going to pull through this. He is a little champ. Like, he is definitely eating and drinking and running and playing again like nothing ever happened. Like, seriously. And him and Cujo are getting along again. He was a little standoffish against Cujo there for a while, just because of what had happened to him, but they are good now. And then during this quarantine time, I wanted to let you guys know we're literally in day 13 of quarantine, and some of this was we're about a week in on Kentucky quarantine, but we've been quarantining since March 13th technically. And we went out once in that time, and we went to the Dollar General to get some essentials only, not just to go. I had to have dog food and stuff, and that was a scary time. Honestly, we were in there probably less than 10 minutes. I couldn't wait to get out of there. We wore gloves, and it was a scary experience just because we're fighting an invisible virus. So we decided that only John from here on out is going anywhere. So we've definitely decided from here on out only John will be going out. There's been 1 confirmed case in the county we live in, and pretty near us. So we're staying in from here on out. Like, Connor and I are completely locked down. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not leaving the house. Neither is Connor. And so in this time, we've been rewatching Naruto. Skipping all the filler though, because there's a ton of filler in Naruto, and they are currently fighting the Akatsuki. And just so you know, like, one of my all-time favorite fights in Naruto, not that most of you probably care, but is Sasori versus Sakura and Granny Chio. I love the puppet mastery people in the show. Also love Gaara, big fan of Gaara. Of course Naruto. All of them really, but I do have certain favorites. We also are looking forward to the new challenge coming on MTV. Total Madness. Team CT here. We also love Bananas, even though he's a snake. And I'm even happy to see Corey come back. As for the girls, Cara Maria is like my favorite. I wish we could see Laurel too. I can't remember if she's going to be in the show. I don't think Cara is though. I cannot remember. I'd have to watch the trailer again. And yeah, so let me know what you guys are doing during this quarantine time. I'm filming videos and still uploading and hanging out with my family, of course, which is something I always do. We always do that. Continue to pray. Pray to God, everyone, that He will lay His hand on you and your family. Ask for a hedge of protection. Don't forget to put on the armor of God every single day, you guys. Prayer works. Pray to the Lord. That's all we can do. Is look to the Lord, still walk in faith. Have faith, and we'll definitely get through this. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this little chatty update. and ColourPop Strawberry Shake makeup tutorial, which I thought was really easy. Thank you so very much, Stephanie, for sending me the palettes. I absolutely love them. You're always the best. Thank you so much. And I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. I post content like this Monday through Friday. And check the description box for product list as well as additional links. Hope you all are having a blessed day. Stay safe, stay home, and thank you guys so much for watching.